Rashid Khan is an Afghan international cricketer, a world-famous bowling all-rounder born on September 20, 1998, in Nangarhar, Afghanistan, who rose from challenging circumstances due to conflict in his homeland to become one of the best white ball cricketers globally. He is known for his fast, accurate leg spin bowling, his powerful hitting with the bat, and for being the youngest player to captain an international side and achieve the ICC Men's T20I Player of the Decade award. Khan plays in various global T20 leagues, including the Indian Premier League, IPL, where he has achieved significant success. Early life and background: birth and family. Born in 1998 in Nangarhar, Afghanistan, to a Shinwari Pashtun family, Rashid had 10 siblings. Impact of war. His family fled the war and lived in Pakistan for a few years. Inspiration. He became an inspiration to many Afghans and global cricket fans, overcoming difficult circumstances to become a sports star. Cricket career highlights: debut. He made his one-day international, ODI, debut for Afghanistan in October 2015 at the age of 17. Global T20 icon. He is considered a global T20 icon and was the first Afghan player to play in the IPL. ICC recognition. In 2017, he was named the ICC Associate Cricketer of the Year. Record-breaking achievements. He holds the record for the fastest bowler in terms of matches to take 100 wickets in T20 years. He became the youngest player to top the ICC player rankings for bowlers in ODIs and T20 years. He was appointed as the youngest captain of an international team at the age of 19 in 2018. Captaincy. He has captained Afghanistan's 2020 T20 side and was briefly captain of the all-format team. ICC recognition. He was named the ICC Men's T20I Player of the Decade in 2020. Bowling and batting style. Bowling. He is known for his fast and accurate leg break bowling, with a particularly potent googly. Batting. As a batting all-rounder, he is capable of clearing the boundary and has won matches with powerful innings. Global fame and impact. T20 leagues. He plays in top global T20 leagues, including the Indian Premier League, IPL, Australia's Big Bash League, BBL, the 100 in the UK, and South Africa's SA20. Cultural ambassador. Khan is a symbol of Afghanistan's success in international cricket, inspiring many through his journey from adversity to global fame. Thank you.